Welcome to Virtualize Everything, where we strive to inform and educate the viewer about technology and technology-related topics. Our passion here is virtualization, and today's video is going to be about setting up TrueNAS. TrueNAS is a great tool for home lab users. TrueNAS allows you to store data in many different ways for your home virtualization setup, or to actually virtualize operating systems right as part of the TrueNAS core. Today I'm going to take you through the installation process as though you were doing it on bare metal. I have used a VM so I can record these screens, but the process will work the same for bare metal. You will need to configure and make your boot drive to do this process. Virtualize Everything has some information on their page not related to TrueNAS, but that could be used to do this. Also, search Making Boot Media on YouTube and you will find some great content on doing this. We'll even leave you a link or two in the comment section to help with this process. Now, on to the video presentation of installing TrueNAS on a system. The first screen you're going to see in the boot process is this one. This boot screen is where we're going to select what type of boot we would like to do for our installation. As you can see from this screen, we need to press enter for the first option. This is the option we're going to use today because we don't have a serial console. So press enter. It's going to bring us to this screen where we're going to use the tab key to select OK and press enter. We need to select which hard drive we want to install TrueNAS to. Today, I am going to be using this QM hard drive. So we're going to press tab to select that drive, press spacebar to tell the system that's what we want to use, press tab again to select OK, and press enter. Now we're going to press enter here to tell it that we want to install TrueNAS on this drive. Set up your system password, pressing tab to move between each field, then tab to OK and press enter. Now we're going to use the BIOS option. You can use a UEFI option as well. Today, with my older system, we're choosing BIOS. So tab to BIOS and press enter. Now it's time to create a swap drive. You can do this without one. I suggest you use one. So press enter to continue. You're going to see the installation process of TrueNAS take effect. Go get a coffee and wait a few minutes. Now TrueNAS has successfully installed in the ADA0 drive. We need to press OK to move on. We're going to press enter. Now we'll be brought back to this screen. It's time to reboot the system and log into our web console. Use your down arrows to select reboot and press enter. You can also, as shown here, use your arrow keys and tab to move around. When your system reboots, you'll see this screen. It gives you the address to your user interface. Go to your web console on your system and enter https:// IP address. If you find that you have a problem with HTTPS, you can use HTTP. It means that you have a certificate issue and you're going to have to fix that. It worked just fine here for me, so we're going to use it. Now you're going to be asked to configure your system's settings a little bit by entering passwords, and this is going to happen just in a pop-up automatically. After you finish that setup, click Save, and TrueNAS is set up and ready for your configurations for your shares. Stay tuned to Virtualize Everything for some demonstrations on setting up VMs and configuring TrueNAS for all your storage needs. As always, I hope you found this informational and it inspired you to go ahead and try TrueNAS as your storage solution. Have a good night, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe.